Hello everyone, welcome back to another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. This week everyone, we are going to learn when something gets heated. Okay, so maybe you have an idea of what this means, but if you want to stick around for the details, please do so. But let's first begin with a quick review of last week's class. Alright everyone, so imagine I ask you, what do people think about the new concept? Unfortunately, people thought it was a big failure. So how do you say that using the expression from last week? You've got 5 seconds. Are you ready? Okay, go. Alright, and time is up. If you said, unfortunately, it was a flop, then that's exactly right. Well done. Thank you for remembering last week's class. Okay, let's move on to something gets heated. Now, this is what I sometimes hear. Okay, so I'm at the office and my good friend and colleague Taro, he comes out of the meeting room and, his face is red, his eyebrows are furrowed like this. He doesn't look very happy. So I say, Taro, what's wrong? Are you okay? Yeah, that seemed like a really tough meeting. Taro says, yes, the meeting was heat up. Okay, yes, I can imagine what you mean. So maybe things got very intense and maybe it was a little bit aggressive and people were going back and forth. So it wasn't a nice environment. It was actually a very uncomfortable environment. So he said the meeting was heat up. Okay, this is good, but the better expression is this. Yes, the meeting got heated, okay? Not heat up, the meeting got heated, all right? So whenever things are kind of aggressive, let's say a discussion between you and let's say your colleague, okay? The discussion got heated, okay? It wasn't a very relaxing conversation. It was a little bit aggressive, kind of intense. People were getting a little bit angry and frustrated, okay? Things are a bit heated, okay? Or things got heated. The meeting got heated. The negotiations got heated. The debate got heated, okay? All right, so it's a very useful expression. Now, hopefully, you don't experience this too much and you have a nice, peaceful workplace. But if it happens, you can use this. Okay, so the pronunciation is as you see it here, so please repeat after me. Yes, the meeting got heated. Your turn. Excellent. Okay, now after my question, hey, wow, are you okay? That seemed like a really tough meeting. You say, yeah, the meeting got heated. Okay, I understand it happens sometimes, and if that happens, you just need to take a few minutes, cool down, just kind of relax and go in again with a clear mind, okay? All right, so please remember this expression for next time. Okay, so the bonus question this week is another way to say it is a real good cost performance. If you know a better way of saying this, feel free to leave it in the comments below. If you don't know, but you are curious, we covered it in one of our previous lessons, so take a look if you have the time. All right, everyone, so that is it for us this week. Thank you always for watching. Have a great week, everyone, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.